foodies, welcome to the LA Food Channel, where we eat, review, and rate the best restaurants out there, so you don't have to waste your time or your taste buds.
Hi, welcome to the LA Food Channel. We're here in Thai Town today, and they're doing a Guinness Book of World Records for most people eating pad Thai noodles. And we're going to check it out and give you some footage. Stay tuned.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes in bright stars through the perilous fight. On the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
ขอบพระคุณมากครับ ต่อไปจะเป็นการขับร้องเพลงชาติไทยนะครับ เรียนเชิญน้องเจนนิเฟอร์นินนาถครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ ประเทศไทยรวมหรือเนื้อชาติเชื้อไทย เป็นประชารัฐผัดไทยของไทยทุกส่วน อยู่ดำรงคงไว้ได้ทั้งมวล โดยไทยล้วนไม้รักสมาคีไทยนี่รักสงบแต่ถึงรบไม่กล้าเอกราชจะไม่ให้ใครคมขีสละเลือดถูกหยาดประชาติปลีถ้าล้างประเทศชาติไทยจะวิไม่ใช่ใช่
น้องเจนนิเฟอร์นินนาถนะครับ เก่งมากลูกเก่งมาก
1, 2, 3. Please cut the ribbon. Ladies and gentlemen, the Thai New Year Songkran Festival is now officially open. Please join me in giving our distinguished guests another warm round of applause, everybody. Thank you.
นะครับคนที่เดินอยู่ด้านนอกสนใจนะครับที่จะมาร่วมสร้างสถิติโลกกินผัดไทยกับเราก็ซื้อตั๋วเข้ามานะครับหรือถ้าต้องการได้เสื้อผัดไทยGuinness Book World Record ก็ครับ
The next performance on stage will be one of the most beautiful dance you've ever seen. So this is to honor our late Queen Sirikit. So are we ready on stage? พร้อมนะครับเชิญครับเชิญรับชมครับ
You got shrimp pad thai? Yeah. All right, let's zoom in on that. See how it looks. It looks really good. Shrimp pad thai. Right. Yeah. So, how does it feel being part of the world record?
I feel a little crazy.
Yeah, a little crazy.
Very exciting.
All right.
Part of our heritage.
That's wonderful. How's the food? Is it good?
Good. Good. It's hot and fresh.
All right. Enjoy. Ruben, how does it feel being part of the world record for the most people eating pad thai at one time?
I feel great. It feels great. I feel accomplished.
All right. How is it? Is it good? All right. All right. We're going to try out this chicken pad thai. So I'm actually part of this event today. And I'll give you my honest opinion. It's good, right? Very delicious. There's lots of flavor. I just added a little bit of lime to it. Definitely highly recommend coming to Thai Town, checking out all the restaurants, and supporting your local Thai community. Look at all these people. Tons and tons of people here. So how's the pad thai, guys? Is it good? Very good? All right. Isn't it great to be part of the world record? Yeah. All right. Give a shout out to the LA Food Channel. You guys enjoying the pad thai? Yeah. All right. How's the food, guys? Be honest.
Delicious.
Delicious? How does it feel to be part of the world record of pad thai eating?
I don't know. Did we get it yet?
We're almost there.
Yeah. You know what the count is?
But you're part of it. How does it feel to be part of it?
Good, good.
All right. Go down in history. Going down in history.
And if I'm not focused on the game, it's very fun. If I'm like, I really just...
How's the food, guys? Yeah? How does it feel to be part of the world record of pad thai eating?
I'm going to put it on my resume.
How's the food, guys? Good? You guys excited to be part of the world record of the most pad thai eaten at one time? All right. How's the food, guys? How does it feel to be part of the world record of the most pad thai eating? Awesome. All right. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. How's the food? Great. All right. You guys enjoying the food? All right. Happy New Year.
Contact my relative when you're still there.
This was a brand new bag.
How's the food, guys?
Awesome.
Happy New Year. So what do you guys think of the food?
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I know Johan hangs out a lot with
How's the food, guys?
good. Got different vendors and we're all sharing, enjoying all the different ones.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
You guys enjoying the pad thai? All right. Nobody brings it to you like the LA Food Channel.
Officially, we are not actually calling it until Hana come on stage. But you know, keep on going, you guys. Keep on going.
200 กับ 7 ออเดอร์ครับเราเรคคอร์ดไป 7 ออเดอร์เรียบร้อยแล้วนะครับ
อย่าหยุดนะครับซื้อต่อนะครับซื้อต่อนะครับเรายังมีเวลาอีกประมาณ7 นาทีนะครับ เราจะสร้างสถิติให้สูงขึ้นไปอีกนะค
ใช่
รับ
ถูกต้องค่ะถูกต้องค่ะโอ้ยตื่นเต้นมาก Making forward for future musical competitions. Yes, we can stay on there longer. Yes, exactly. Higher. Very higher.
การที่เราจะสร้างสถิติโลกนะครับกินเนสบุ๊กเวิลด์เรคคอร์ดเขาส่งตัวแทนมาควบคุมทุกขั้นตอนเลยนะครับกติกาทุกอย่างเวลาทุกอย่างแม้กระทั่งผัดไทยแต่ละกล่องนะครับ น้ำหนักต้องได้มาตรฐานเท่ากันนะครับจะกล่องเล็กกว่าที่เขาคิดเอาไว้ไม่ได้นะครับควบคุมกันละเอียดมากช่างน้ำหนักกันเลยนะครับสุ่มช่างกันเลยเพราะฉะนั้นเป็นเรื่องที่น่าภาคภูมิใจมากนะครับตอนนี้ไม่เป็นทางการนะครับเราสร้างสถิติโลกให้กับผัดไทยเรียบร้อยไปแล้วนะครับ
Worked their butt off for months to create this event. All the chefs have flown in from all over the country.
And I'm holding my pad thai. Do you have yours? If you have yours, raise it up.
You know what we're gonna do?
Thank you so much, and really, we can actually exceeding maybe
I thought we should aim for 1,300.
for 1,500.
Everyone is holding a pad thai right now. Every participant has contributed to this history-making event.
เรามีเวลาเหลือประมาณไม่ถึง5 นาทีนะครับ ผมมีไอเดียบอกอย่างนี้นะครับตอนนี้กล้องเนี่ยกำลังจับภาพ
58! All together! Starting now? Okay. Not gone.
49. Together, guys. 46. 45. 44. 42. 48. 39. 38. 37. 36.
33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27.
เรามาสร้างสถิติโลกด้วยกัน14 13 12 11 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1
Now completed, and I am going to go review the evidence. And until the evidence is reviewed, I cannot announce any official results. But once I have done that, I will be back to announce what the result is.
Thank you so much, Hannah.
Both of you have the pot pie in your hand. Pot pie in your hand. All right, raise it up. We're gonna take a bite at the same time. All the camera people are not.
เดี๋ยวอีกประมาณสักครึ่งชั่วโมงนะครับ คุณฮันน่าจากวงกินเนสบุ๊กจะขึ้นมาประกาศผลการสร้างสถิติโลกของชุมชน
Be here today, LA Food Channel and world record, Guinness Book of World Records for the most people eating pad thai. And I hope we break the record. And Happy New Year!
Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
I think we are just.
It's a pot pie. One more.
Happy New Year, everyone.
And three, and jump. ปาดขวา ปาดซ้าย ปาดขวา อันนี้ถอยหลังที่1 2 3 4 เย้เอาแบบไวๆเอาแบบไวๆเดี๋ยวคุณเต้นให้ดูรอบหนึ่งเอาแบบไวๆ
She's gonna show us one time.
ขอท่อนฮุกหน่อยได้ไหมคะ I wish I did like a diamond, diamond, and all the trees in mine. When you end up in Thailand, Thailand, I find it in Thailand.
ได้ไหมคะ
I think you want to. Bangkok City, your love is so good to destroy, bringing me so much joy. Your love will make you say that Bangkok City. Yeah.
Oh my God, that was so amazing.
แต่อยากให้ทุกคนลุกขึ้นมา sweet flamenco. Boy, it takes two to tango. Come on, as you can see. I wanna show you my world, so you can show me yours. I even let you make me more, so I can never let you go. I know it's love, can't make you pay, and make you go insane. Make you say.
Welcome you to the Thai New Year Songkran Festival and invite you to offer your welcome remarks at our
ขอ
festival.
เสียงปรบมือต้อนรับท่านจิมแมคโดนัลด์นะครับหัวหน้าตำรวจนครลอสแอนเจลิสนะครับ
Thank you very, very much. I appreciate the introduction. Thank you. Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to be able to be here with you today. As you can see, we brought a lot of our partners here from the Los Angeles Police Department. We appreciate what you bring to the table on the public safety equation. Without partnership, there is not going to be public safety. We have to work together. There aren't enough of us to be able to get done what needs to be done. So I can't stress enough how important your role is in keeping all of our communities safe. Congratulations on the 17th annual Thai New Year Songkran Festival, and to the Songkran Festival USA for inviting us all to be a part of this special celebration of the Thai New Year. And where better than right here in Thai Town. Events like this are what make Los Angeles so unique. We're a city made up of so many cultures, traditions, and communities, and today is a reflection of that. The Thai community has long been an important part of Los Angeles, contributing not just food and culture, but a strong sense of family, pride, and the connection we get and benefit from. Songkran, as was said earlier by the Consul General, is about renewal. Starting fresh and spending time with the people who matter most. That spirit of coming together is something we value at the LAPD as well. It's always all about coming together, building relationships, and working toward a better life for everybody. And to be able to be present in the community. I'm having a little wing resistance here on the notes. Well, forget the notes. I look at the ability to be able to come together today and celebrate everybody trying to be able to work towards something that is special, getting in the Guinness Book of World Records, celebrating Pad Thai and what that means to everybody who has an opportunity to be able to taste it. So thank you. Congratulations on this great event today. Thank you for allowing us to be such a part of it, and very best wishes for a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. Thank you all very much.
Thank you again to our Chief of LAPD, Mr. Jim McDonald. Next, I am pleased.
After the event, you got a few stragglers left.
Foundation ต้อนรับเทยูแบงนะครับเชิญสาธิตสตีนะครับแล้วก็พลังจิตสารภาพนะครับของหลวงพ่อวิยาครับ
Thank you.
right. What's the name of this place?
Thai Burger Company. Thai Burger Company.
Thai Burger
We specialize
Company.
in sticky rice burgers.
All right. Sticky rice burger.
Thai sticky rice burger.
What a great concept.
Yeah, you're looking at the Thai Pad Kaprao, homemade basil, stir fry. What we did is we turned it into a burger patty. We put a fried egg on top.
Oh,
We
wow.
put it between sticky rice. That's what we do.
Very nice. And what is that? Chili fries or
These are
just?
gonna be the fries, and we're gonna put the toppings of the meat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we got two choices here.
Very nice.
Thank you so much, Patrick.
How are you guys doing?
Yeah, we
All right.
we grill lobster. We have Thai barbecue chicken, chicken satay, baby back rib, just chicken teriyaki, brisket beef, and we also have a short rib, which is
Oh, wow.
We're gonna restock soon.
All right. What's the name of your place?
Thai deli.
Thai Deli.
Yeah.
Okay.
DELI.
All right.
In Boyle Heights.
Boyle Heights.
But it's the border to Boyle Heights.
Right.
The Pad Thai competition?
Right.
Oh no, not the competition. Okay, come here. I joined the Pad Thai world record.
Right.
Yeah, this morning we made more than we aimed for. We made like 1,300 dishes. Sell it within an hour.
Wow.
For the Pad Thai. There were about 40 Thai restaurants around the country. Come to join. Yeah, I met my friend. He came from Miami this morning too.
I was part of it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was doing it as well.
So
Yeah.
I was the first booth. Yeah, my number is number 3. So I have like my friend there, my colleague there, my employee there. We did like five rounds. I believe we served about like 80 of them.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, and then soon in this afternoon, I'm gonna join the Pad Thai competition. I'm gonna see how far I can bring my Pad Thai sauce to the business.
Great. That is great.
You gotta check out on us, okay? We've been serving in our community in Boyle Heights for a very long time.
Okay.
I'm a second generation.
You have a business card? No.
No.
Not with you.
Not with me. But if you spell
Thai Deli.
Thai, but you have to make sure you spell DELI.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll film your sign outside.
Sure.
Okay.
Well, you won't disappoint, or even check out on Yelp or Google.
Okay.
You will
Thank
see a
you.
good one.
Thank you.
fried rice noodles sold in 1 hour has been achieved with a total of 1,337 votes. Congratulations.
Wonderful, wonderful. Is that soup?
44จ้าโต๊ะที่โต๊ะไม่มีมาเลยวันนี้ส่งกับโต๊ะ ไม่คนมาพี่โดนนะโอเคอยู่
Okay. We're here at the booth for Pod or Noodle. If you guys remember, about a year ago I made a restaurant video for them. And they're here at the Thai Festival. And they have a stall here.
It's okay?
Yes.
Okay. Be careful, please.
Yes. Okay. So Nate, it's great to have you back.
Yeah, good to
Now
be
you
back.
got a booth at the Thai Festival. How's it going?
2006, LA. We got some bulk noodle, tom yum noodles. You know, been busy all day. Tired. Good to be back.
It's actually our bestseller in the restaurant. Yeah. And this is beef, I just made it for this event, and I'm going to add it to my menu, same as the manufacturer. And this is my special.
What should I try?
Sure.
Short rib, the one with the bone? That one or that? Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Okay, we're back. We're trying out the Thai deli for short ribs. I heard they're the best around. Give it a try. Yeah? Really good. Has a lot of flavor. Very tender. Yeah, I'm good with the spicy sauce. I've got a lot of spicy sauce today. So. But it's, yeah, it's really, really good. And I highly recommend it. And you're in Royal Heights, right?
It's across the street from the White Memorial Hospital.
Okay.
Not far from the General Hospital or the United Service.
Make sure you check out Thai Deli. You can't go wrong.
Yeah. Oh, don't forget, if you Google, just spell it D-E-L-I. It's Thai Deli.
D-E-L-I.
Yeah, Thai Deli. Thank you.
อย่าหลอกกันเลยฉันนำเสนอให้เธอพิจารณาชอบไหมชอบไหมรูปร่างหน้าตาแบบนี้ถามหน่อยกับพี่ชอบไหมชอบไหมชอบไหม34 24 35 0แล้วกว่าชอบไหมชอบไหมชอบไหมสักโหขนาดนี้เซ็กซี่ขนาดไหนไม่ต้องมันแล้วร้องจะต้องภาวะทุกส่วนเต็งไม่เคยดึงหน้าตาของฉันจริงนะจ๊ะจะหาว่าไม่จริงไม่ได้
Yeah, my grandma used to say I've got a sentimental soul. Yeah, my grandma was a waitress, my mom was a waitress. I'm just a waitress too. Yeah, your daddy was a coffee puncher right in the head. You said fuck you, dad, I hate you, and just what you meant. I meant his dad was a cop, and you're just a cop, but I'm not a cop, you see. Not to me, you are the great ones of China. Yeah, to me, you are the golden gates of hell. Yeah, to me, you are just cat trips and hockey. Yeah, to me, you are the lies that you tell. So it's true that I still love you. For how long I never could tell. So my lives were the same, and the things are insane. Well, if you die, I will die as well. That's it. All right.
do our little sound check.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.